You are now tuned in to Faithful Asia, where we do it all, from makeup to hair, and updating you with fashion. How could you go wrong with that? Welcome to the show.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by OMGHerHair. This is the unit straight out of the box. As you can see, it does come with bleached knots. There are 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and an adjustable elastic band. In the box, I did receive a wig cap. Oh my gosh, guys, it's actually a wig cap I can use. This is the first of many. There's an elastic band, a comb, a hair booklet with instructions on how to care for the wig, and some flexi rods. How useful. This is their short bob unit, and this is what it looks like straight out of the box. As you can see, the hairline is slightly plucked. You're gonna get about 4 inches of parting space, and as I mentioned, the knots are nicely bleached, so you don't have to bleach them. I'm feeling like this is going to be a really simple install, so I'm going to just throw this wig on straight out the box. I'm not going to pluck the hairline just yet, if at all. I'll determine if that needs to be done a little later. Straight out the box, you guys can see that it's really not much that needs to be done to this unit. I could possibly pluck the front of this a little bit, but I'm not sure. I don't think I will. It's not really necessary. So I'm gonna just cut the lace off this unit. Okay, so now I'm going to put the wig on. I didn't get a chance to sew on the elastic band. However, I will most likely do that a little bit later because I do like to have elastic bands on all my units, because typically, as I mentioned to you guys, I usually wear my units glueless. However, since I haven't sewn it on, I'm going to go ahead and secure this unit using my Got To Be Glue hairspray. And yeah, let me just go ahead and do that. Let me put this on. As you guys can see, this wig looks good straight out the box. I didn't do anything to this unit yet besides cut the lace, and already it looks like I could just wear it like this. If, of course, I'd fix this, of course. But as I mentioned, I'm going to go ahead and secure this with my Got To Be glue spray. And dolls, I just want to remind you, when you use the spray, you want to blow dry it until it's tacky, not until it's dry, because if you blow dry it until it's dry, it's not gonna stick. Just a friendly reminder. I'm going to go ahead and use my elastic band to tie the front of this hairline down for about 5 minutes. You can also use a scarf or anything that you feel can apply pressure to the front of the head. And this is just going to help the glue melt in with the skin. Before I tie my hairline down, I'm going to go ahead and just pluck the side of this unit ever so slightly. Okay, so I definitely should have plucked this unit before spraying it down. But hey, better late than never. And I'm just gonna lay some light baby hairs using my Nairobi foaming mousse. As always, everything will be listed in the description box down below. I'm gonna leave that tie down for about 5 minutes and then I'll be right back. I'm just gonna take my flat iron and bump the ends. Put some of my wet stick to flatten this top down. And to finish off your install, you want to make sure that the top is very flat. I used my wax stick, but then I also followed up with some of my Got2b glue spray, and that helped tame the flyaways and ensure that it was laid nice and sleek. This part is very important for having a polished look. And last, I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation to the lace. And dolls, as I mentioned, this unit is from OMGHerHair. I haven't reviewed a unit from them in a while. I do like to review their units because, as you see, they're usually really easy to install. And best of all, their units are pretty affordable. So as you saw, this unit does come pre-bleached. It does say it comes pre-plucked, but I think it's just slightly plucked, but it is decent enough to just throw on. It is a bob. So when you're wearing bobs, you don't really require that much plucking. The only reason I really pluck the size is because I wanted to wear it behind my ear. If I did, I would have just worn it as is. This is an 8-inch unit, and the front of this unit is 130% and the back of this unit is 180. So it's nice and full. It's not thin at all. And I did want to let you guys know they are having a Halloween sale right now, and their sale will last through October 31st. So this is a really good time to purchase a unit because you will be able to save. And in addition to the savings that they're having online, I do have a coupon code for you guys to save $10. I will put that across the screen as well as in the description box down below. And you know, before I finish those, I think I want to throw some barrettes in this hair just to jazz it up a little bit. What do you guys think? These barrettes are really on trend now. I will have some barrettes available for sale on my website once it launches at the end of this week, as well as my eyelashes. So if you're interested, I will make sure and include that in the description box down below once it does launch. Do you guys like these barrettes or do you like these? So dolls, which one do you prefer? Do you prefer these barrettes or the other ones? Or maybe not at all? But guys, before we get out of here, I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be listed right here. As you know, I'm gonna need your help naming this wig. What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your suggestions in the comment section down below. And if it's your first time visiting my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And dolls, as always, until next time, you guys stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.